What's up, guys? So today we're going to be installing these carbon strut tire braces on Luke's Genesis right here. So far it's got the blacked out, basically blacked out everything that's chrome with them, but we're going to be removing, of course, you see a trend here, everything's going black. Here, once you go black, you never go back. Or carbon. Anyways, we're going to throw these in here. If you're new to the channel, check out our other videos. We do a bunch of installs. Like, subscribe, let's get into it. Alright, so Luke's going ahead and getting the bolts out right here. It is a 14mm socket with our beautiful Icon series wrench. You know, Icon's overall better than Snap-on. Tell me otherwise for the price. Y'all can argue that in the comments. Anyways, the carbon will be such a better look. We'll really tie in this engine bay. And who knows, maybe he's got to go with a bigger spoiler. Or not spoiler. Turbo. I said spoiler. My goodness. Bless my heart. A bigger turbo. What were we thinking, like a 98 mil?
It is single turbo.
Oh yeah. No anti-lag.
I thought anti-lag was a good thing.
No.
So you want like at least 10 seconds of lag?
No, we want all the, yeah. For the true effect. Voila. That's awesome. Let's go put the carbon ones in now. What's the weight difference on that?
That's double.
Like, I noticed because that felt like nothing, like I was holding
This
air.
is like 4 of these.
That's awesome. So now we got them. I got one of them lined in now. That already looks so much better. If only you had this already in time for the car show.
No, no. Would have won even
You
more.
would have won even more. Best engine bay.
I'm just worried about the bolt like scratching it when it goes down. Does that make sense?
Well, I mean,
You'll never see it.
yeah, you'll never see that. You ain't got to worry about that.
Dude, it looks legit.
That's awesome.
Goods.
Yeah, it does.
Brought the fancy tech. Now, I was just arguing Snap-on, but in this case, you can't go wrong with Snap-on for torquing.
Tell us about it.
Fully digital, vibrates when you get to the correct torque spec. We'll start off with 34 and go up from there. See 34
awesome.
right there.
It's a mortgage on a home.
Well, and Strut, oh gosh. 20.
It's so suspenseful.
Later.
Yeah, we'll start there with 25 and then we'll slowly go up as we go.
Oh, that's awesome. I need one of those.
Hey, you can't go wrong with the click top, though.
How many arms and legs?
12.
12.
There you go, I'll let you do the other side.
That's awesome.
Luke's got the honor. The clicks are very satisfying on that.
Absolutely.
It's special.
It's making me feel poor with my little flat beam torque wrench.
If you sell some of the stuff you got,
Maybe I can. Maybe I can get one. That's sick. That looks so good.
I try to forget.
That's so nice.
A few of those could buy the truck. Well, I don't know what was more expensive, the torque wrench or the actual carbon. But anyways, that's the finished result there, and definitely ties in the engine bay a lot better. Now for the next car show, pop that sucker open and be mesmerized by carbon fiber and everything else is blacked out. Also, we got the amber. Hold on, hit that again. Oh yeah. So that and the blacked out, well, basically blacking everything out. Well, we still got like the grill stuff to get. But other than that, that's going to wrap it up. Thank y'all for watching this little video. And we'll catch you next time. See ya.